Imagine waking up, glancing at your lock screen, and instantly seeing everything you need, clearer, smarter, and more useful than ever. No tapping, no swiping, just one smooth glance. Sounds small? Maybe. But what if I told you this tiny tweak could change how you use your phone every single day? Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic Galaxy and Android updates just like this one. Alright, Samsung is up to something interesting with One UI 8. It's not throwing massive new features at you. Nope. Instead, it's all about refining what already works, and one of those upgrades is sitting quietly on your lock screen. In the latest One UI 8 test firmware, Samsung has increased the size of lock screen widgets. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, this is a bigger deal than it seems. Picture this. You're rushing out the door, phone in hand, and you just want to check your next calendar event or see if it's going to rain. The bigger widget icons now make that interaction faster, clearer, and less frustrating, especially when you're half awake or juggling your morning coffee. The new widget size feels just right. Not too chunky, not too cramped. And compared to One UI 7, it's a noticeable leap forward. Now here's the catch, you still can't add more than 4 widgets. The layout limit stays the same, but what you can do is enjoy better visibility and easier touch targets. The moment you use them, especially on something like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you'll wonder why it wasn't always like this. But wait, don't expect brand new types of widgets just yet. Samsung is sticking with the usual suspects for now. Weather, calendar, step count, and so on. But don't lose hope. With One UI 8 still in development, there's a strong possibility we'll see more widget types added later, possibly even ones powered by Galaxy AI or more fitness-focused options. Fingers crossed. Now let's talk rollout. If you're rocking a Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra, there's good news. You could be among the first to test One UI 8 through Samsung's upcoming beta program. Yep, it might arrive sooner than expected. And trust me, this time it's not just about security patches. These little quality-of-life changes are what really polish the experience. There's also talk that the Galaxy S25 Edge might be included in the beta program, but Samsung hasn't confirmed that yet. So if you own one, stay tuned, but don't hold your breath until we hear it from the source. Here's something else to keep an eye on. Samsung's strategy this time is all about stacking subtle enhancements. Alone, they might not seem groundbreaking, but together, they build into a system that feels smoother, smarter, and more pleasant to live with. It's like Samsung is putting the final touches on a masterpiece, one brushstroke at a time. And speaking of hidden gems, One UI 8 is packed with small upgrades like this that could fly under your radar unless you're paying attention. For example, have you checked out the new charging management tools tucked under device care? They help preserve your battery by delaying full charging overnight. Combine that with smart widget resizing, AI suggestions, and refined gestures, and suddenly your phone feels brand new, even if it's not. Also worth noting, Android 16 is playing a big role here. As Google rolls out new security tools, expect Samsung to integrate those into One UI 8. Advanced protection mode, 2G blocking, and automatic reboot after 72 hours of inactivity. Yep, features like that could be making their way into Galaxy phones very soon. It's all about layering protection and making your device both smarter and safer. Oh, and if you're wondering whether all of this will slow your phone down, don't worry. Early testers report that One UI 8 is surprisingly snappy. Even with the visual changes and new code under the hood, performance remains top tier. That's especially impressive on the S25 series, which seems to handle these updates like a champ. So let's wrap it up. Samsung isn't reinventing the wheel with One UI 8. But it's making sure the ride is smoother than ever. Enlarged widgets, subtle UI improvements, smarter battery tools, and future-proof security upgrades all point to one thing. This isn't just an update. It's a Polish pass for your entire mobile experience. If you're a Galaxy Power user or someone who loves tech details, now's the time to start paying attention. These small updates, they're building towards something much bigger. And you better believe I'll be covering every single one of them right here. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, because One UI 8 has a lot more to reveal. And I'll be here, digging into every hidden trick and smart tweak Samsung throws our way. Drop a comment if you're excited for the new update or curious about a specific feature. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.